Do you stretch, foam roll, do a bunch of mobility exercises, all in the hopes of breaking the shackles of stiffness, but still aren't experiencing any progress? If so, you're not alone. When I polled you guys in the Smooth community, most of you said you didn't even know where to begin with mobility. I get it, there's so much noise out there, lots of differing opinions. So before we go any further, let's cut through the confusion and get clear on what mobility really means. Real quick, if you're looking for a simple 7-day kickstart program to get you moving, feeling more energized, and unlocking mobility in a way that actually sticks, grab the Daily Charge program. It's completely free and you can find it in the link below. Here's the thing, mobility isn't about having the bendiness of a circus performer, and it's not about hitting the splits. Real, accessible mobility is practical. It's what lets you lift a suitcase overhead without tweaking your shoulder, play with your kids on the floor without any hesitation, and hike up a mountain with a spring in your step. The goal isn't just more range of motion, it's trust. Trust that you can move confidently in the moments that life throws at you. But that's not sexy, and it doesn't get clicks on Instagram and YouTube. So why am I sabotaging my views by talking about this? Because I know from working with people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s that most of you out there want to move in ways that allow you to feel strong, resilient, and adaptable in your life. So let's take a look at how you can start building practical and sustainable mobility today. If I had this framework when I started my mobility journey, I would have saved myself a bunch of time, effort, and frustration, so listen up. Most of the stiffness and aches that you experience don't start in the shoulders and the hips, they start at the center. If your spine, rib cage, and pelvis are disconnected, your body's going to tighten up to protect you. By mastering your center, you'll lock in this foundation through your core, and when you do this, daily movements become easier and more movement options become available. Now onto a big misconception. Most people think that they need more time to improve their mobility, but you really don't need those hour-long stretching routines or endless foam rolling. Short, intentional movement sessions can completely rewire your body. It's important to start with something accessible and doable so you can be consistent and build that momentum. As I mentioned earlier, those daily charge sessions are a perfect starting point if you want to get started today, link below. Last key to improving your mobility. Most people treat mobility like a band-aid. You feel stiff, you stretch, repeat. But this isn't progress. It's like Sisyphus, straining to push a boulder up a hill only to watch it roll down every single day. You've got to slowly and progressively challenge yourself through your movement. This progression doesn't have to be some crazy mobility trick that you saw on Instagram. It can simply be expanding your options and your boundaries slowly over time. You do this, you move with intention, a focus on connection, and breathe into your body, and your body is going to make progress. Think of this as compound interest. Every rep is an investment, not just a one-off fix. And this is how you build a body that actually feels good year after year. If you're ready to do that, in this next video, I'll show you why stretching alone won't fix your tightness and what actually works instead. Click here, I'll see you in the next one. Stay smooth.